All right, well, welcome back to the channel. Today's build is going to be a bit of a desk console for a mixer and a couple computers and some tech for a sound team. This project I'm a little excited about. We're gonna keep it portable, but yet for a permanent space. So that means it's gonna be nice, but it's gonna have some casters or heavy duty wheels on the bottom. Let's jump in to this build. Now, I'm about to sand it, stain it, and set it up with the gear. And let me turn it around for you so you get an idea of what it looks like. All right, for stain, I recommend a few things. I recommend gloves. Definitely get a rag, a little sponge brush for applying your stain. And for this project, I have some, what color is this? Sedona red. Believe it or not, this little can should do my front and sides. I don't think I'm gonna stain the inside of this thing, but we'll see how far this goes. Shake this up good, and then start applying. And you wanna apply it, and then wipe it off. Well, that took every drop from that little can, but I would say we got pretty good coverage. I feel like when we started, the dye was the stain was a little lighter, and towards the end, it was a little darker. If there's any spots that are too dark, you can always go back with a light sandpaper and lighten it up. If it's not dark enough, you're gonna have to get yourself another coat, but this should all even out here as it dries. I'm gonna flip this sucker around and begin to put it together. As you can tell from the sweat-drenched shirt, it is toasty here in these Georgia nights in August. But this project wrapped up great. It turned out like I hoped. Everything has a little compartment. It streamlined our setup, made storage accessible. I've got room for one more laptop here for some of the other controls for video and lighting. We got a couple more odds and ends, but overall this turned out great. Let's give it a once around so we not only see the control side, a little heavier. It's a little more red than I would normally go with, but that depends on the light. And also when it dries, we'll see if it's too dark for me, I'll go ahead and sand it lightly. But overall, that's how it turned out. So if you ever get an idea, man, let me just encourage you, there's something about sketching something up and then bringing it to life. This project was fun. If you liked the video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel for more strange range of content from cars, motorcycles, and music console, soundboard things. Thanks for checking out this video.